Bickel Surplus Truck TV.
Hello, good morning guys. Dito po pala ako ngayon sa Sir Pubs Car Trading. Ipiplex ko po yung mga available na natin na mga car. Yan. First unit po is Hyundai Reyna 2017 model, manual transmission. Yan. Red color. Next unit po is Wigo Black, loaded po siya, loaded. Yan. Mag wheels, yan, ikutan ko po para makita nyo. Yan, tinted po siya. Ito po yung likod niya, G variant. Next unit po is Ford EcoSport Titanium 2017 model. Automatic transmission for only 420k. Yan, drop price na po, 420. Itong Wigo 370, and then yung Hyundai Reyna 2017 350 po. Next unit po is Ford Ranger Wild Track 2020 year model, automatic transmission. Yan, for only 850,000 pesos. Next unit po is Mitsubishi Strada 4x2 pickup 2019 model, manual, formado. Yan, for only 850,000 pesos. PM lang po kayo kung interesado kayo. Pwede nyo itong i-avail cash or through financing. May mga tie-up financing po kami like South Asia Link Finance Corporation and Jax Corporation po, Finance Corporation po. Mabilis yung process, basta kompleto yung requirements, pass approval po kami. Minimum up to 20% to 30% down payment po. 4 to 5 days process lang. Next unit po is Mitsubishi L300 FB type Exceed body, dual aircon 2017 model, super sariwa, good for business. Yan po, ikutan ko po yung L300. Yan po. PM lang kayo sa magkukursunada nito. Meron din po kaming 7-seater Toyota Avanza manual 2016 model for only 420k. Yan, manual transmission. Ikutan ko din po ito. Yan, Toyota Avanza. Yan, sa mga interesado po, pili Palestina, pili Kamsur, location po nitong mga unit na ito ng display area ni Boss. Sir Pubs Car Trading. Yan, near Palestina Pili Elementary School. Yan po. Once again, this is Bickel Surplus Truck TV. Thank you for watching, and please support, like and share my YouTube channel. God bless everyone.